Nag-start kasi siyang gumamit ng gadget when he was 9 months.
May games doon ng teaching sounds, how to read, how to spell.
At her age, marunong siya mag-addition, subtraction.
Hinahanap niya yung iPad every morning after she wakes up.
Mommy, can I use the tablet? Ayaw na niyang bitawan. So parang nakita ko dun na parang nag-iisip siya na nagagawa niya yung nag-explore siya kahit wala ako.
When I saw his face playing, parang really, he loves what he's doing. Kung masaya siya doon, I know he's learning na.
Naglaro tayo sa labas, mga simpleng laro. Siguro with him, I'll try na ibalik yung ganung paglalaro.
They learn to use all their senses. Kasi di ba pag mga gadgets, it's not real.